Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below for easy access. This review reflects my personal experience with HSBC New Zealand. HSBC New Zealand Bank Review, a comprehensive look. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into the world of HSBC New Zealand, exploring its offerings and highlighting what makes it a compelling choice for Kiwis. HSBC New Zealand caters to both personal and business banking customers, with a particular focus on providing seamless international banking solutions. They offer a variety of flexible account options, including savings accounts, everyday transaction accounts, and term deposit accounts. A standout feature is the HSBC Premier service. Tailored for high-net-worth individuals, Premier provides exclusive perks such as priority customer service, access to a global network of branches, and personalized financial guidance. For everyday banking needs, HSBC offers competitive interest rates on their standard savings and checking accounts, coupled with transparent and clearly defined fee structures. HSBC's digital banking platform is another strong point. Their well-designed online banking portal and mobile app provide convenient access to account information, bill payment services, and even international money transfers. The mobile app is particularly user-friendly, boasting an intuitive interface and secure environment for managing finances on the go. International transactions are simplified with HSBC's global network. Sending money across borders is straightforward and often comes with lower fees compared to other banks. This makes HSBC a great option for frequent travelers or individuals requiring access to international services, thanks to a vast network of global ATMs and the capability to manage funds in multiple currencies. While HSBC's fees might be slightly higher than some local New Zealand banks, the breadth of services, global reach, and overall customer experience often justify the added cost. From everyday transactions to complex international banking, HSBC New Zealand offers a robust and reliable banking experience. They excel in providing personalized advice for premium customers, further enhancing the overall value proposition. In summary, HSBC New Zealand stands out as a dependable choice for both personal and business banking, emphasizing global convenience. This makes it a particularly attractive option for frequent international travelers and high-net-worth individuals seeking a comprehensive banking solution. For a deeper dive into the specifics of each service mentioned, check out the links provided in the description below.